Hey everyone, Sean here from Arcade Gaming Central with a quick video about how to change out the spring of your shooter rod in a pinball machine. Some games, such as Avengers Infinity Quest here, have skill shots where you need to loop around a long orbit to get to the flippers and hit them, and if your plunger isn't strong enough, it can be really frustrating if you're pulling it as hard as you can and still falling short. This is where a stronger spring can be helpful. The strongest spring you can get is the red spring, which will give you more than enough power. To install this, open your coin door, remove the glass, remove the balls, and lift the playfield. If you need a more step-by-step process for this on modern Stern games, be sure to check out one of my other videos covering this in more detail. Here we can see the standard spring. Swapping out the spring is pretty simple and probably one of the easiest fixes. You want to pull the spring back in one hand first and remove this black circular piece. Keep track of that, it's tiny. Now grab a towel while holding the shooter rod with your right hand. Pull to remove the tip and original spring with your left hand while holding the towel. The towel is so things don't go flying and end up missing pieces all over the game. And here is our red spring. You can get these on eBay or a couple of shops. I'll put in the links. Put that onto the shooter rod ahead of the white circular piece that is still there. Pull that back as far as you can so you can reinstall the tip and the plastic black ring that holds into place. And that's it, you're good to go. Take a look, bright red and way more power. When you're all set, pull the playfield down, reinstall the pinballs, the glass, close the coin door, and turn things back on. Now let's see if we can get that skill shot in Avengers Infinity Quest where we have to go all the way around the orbit, end up at the right flipper, and get up the Avengers Tower. And there we go. First try. Definitely did not do 20 takes of this video to get to that shot. Want more useful tips on your pinball machine as well as checking out new games and features and location reviews? Let me know in the comments what you want to see, and be sure to check out Arcade Gaming Central on Instagram and Facebook for daily pinball videos.